Taking your morning smoothie on the road used to require a separate travel cup. Now, no such hassle. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the 5 best personal blenders in today's video. Starting the list off with number 5, the Decker Fusion Blade. Creating personalized blended drinks has never been easier thanks to the Black & Decker Fusion Blade Personal Blender. Perfect for single servings, the blender comes with a pair of 20-ounce jars that include twist-on travel lids to keep your beverages in place no matter where you go. The powerful stainless steel Fusion Blade is designed to crush ice and blend foods and liquids evenly, making it the ideal tool for creating mixed drinks and smoothies. Mix some drinks for a night in or to create a protein shake to take to the gym. This blender can make customized beverages for all occasions. The Katyn K1 is the 4th product on our list today. The modern, streamlined design of this personal, single-serve blender will look great in your kitchen and complement any decor. This powerful blender only requires one touch and can function hands completely free. It is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. You can take your shake or smoothie to go. The sports lid makes it easy to take on the road or to the office, gym, or class, in the car or your bag. Packed in this small blender is a high-powered 300-watt motor, which will crush and pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and more. The Now Foods Sports occupies the 3rd position on our list today. Whether you're making a tasty dressing, mixing up a protein smoothie, or creating a formula for your baby, the Now Foods Sports can handle the job with aplomb as long as the portion size is small. Its strong little 300-watt motor is ideal for chopping, milling, and liquefying. It provides 3 speeds, and there is a built-in safety lock. The Vaughn Chef Ultra Blend comes up next on our list at number 2. The powerful 1,000-watt motor, combined with 25,000 RPM speed and razor-sharp 301 stainless steel Pro extractor blades, makes lightning-fast work of blitzing fruit and veg, pulverizing seeds, stems, and skins to extract and lock in those all-important nutrients. Boasting style as well as substance, the Ultra Blend features a matte black body and sleek design. Turn on the blender just by twisting and locking the cup into place, and unlock when the Ultra Blend has done its duty. Now let's take a look at the number 1 product, the Nutri Ninja Pro. The Nutri Ninja Pro combines a 900-watt motor with 21,000 RPM Pro extractor blades to power through the toughest ingredients. The Nutri Ninja Pro provides both speed and power so that your drinks and meals can be made fast, leaving you with a silky smooth consistency. It offers more versatility than a traditional blender due to the power, speed, and technology of Pro extractor blades. You can create endless recipes including nutrient-rich drinks, frozen treats, soups, sauces, dips, and more. Thanks for checking out our video review of the best 5 personal blenders.